There are concerns this evening that unscrupulous persons are trying to benefit from the plight of a young student and his family featured in a viral YouTube video. It's understood that they have been collecting items and cash on the family's behalf and even trying to discredit the involvement of the Guys Hill High School in the process. Our reporter Cody and Barrett has this primetime news follow-up.
The story of Delano Tucker has tugged at the heartstrings of Jamaicans locally and in the diaspora who have been giving generously in cash and kind. It, however, appears that unscrupulous persons have also been cashing in under the guise of helping the family.
People have been calling me and telling me that they have seen where my son has gotten 2 iPhones, but my son has never seen our older iPhone of his own.
The Guys Hill High School, where Delano is a student, has also been trying to coordinate their efforts to assist the family. That has been hindered amid accusations that the institution has created a separate bank account in order to use the funds for personal use. Cecil Donald is the principal.
Many of the persons who reached out to the school wanted to donate to their further education, and they were not willing to donate if it was not coming through the school. And thus, it was agreed that this would be the channel to ensure accountability, ensure transparency, to ensure that all the funds can be traced.
He says the school had no issues with the family having a personal bank account. In fact,
when this thing started, we knew instantly that there would be some people who would really want to contribute to the domestic aspect of the family. We thought of that, and therefore, what we did was to facilitate the entire process for her to get her own bank account.
He says all hands have been on deck from the beginning to assist all the children at the school who share similar needs like Delano. But he assures the funds will be set aside strictly for the Tucker family.
Well, the money is donated to Delano's education and his family. So his sister will certainly be a beneficiary of it too, in order to ensure that the family is in a better position. That's the aim. And as I've said before, it's a broad-based committee. It involves his mother. So the family will help to also decide how the money is best used for both children.
Delano's mother is urging persons to be careful of people claiming to help the family and insist the school has no ill intentions.
From my kids started in grade 7, they have been helping them out. If I'm at home and I come to them and I say, Principal, say me not have no dinner to give them right now. If he don't have it in his pocket, he would send to the tuck shop to get the money to give me and say, go and cook them a nice dinner. So folks, what they are saying out there about the Guys Hill High School, it is not true.
If you wish to make a cash donation to the Tucker family, it can be made to Delano Tucker, JN Bank account 209-460-7728, Highgate branch, or the Guys Hill High School's checking account number 37419, branch number 70185, with a note to the school's email, guyshillhigh@yahoo.com, indicating the sum deposited and date of deposit, or send the transaction receipt. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.
And that account for the Guys Hill High School is with Scotiabank Linstead branch.